Good morning, sir. I am Jeneline A. Loquero from FA1B is AR01. I am here to explain what is the solution and the final answer. So we have here the first question. The CEAS Entrepreneur Club plans to sell costume notebook to raise funds for their school event. The club spends 25 pesos to make each notebook and sells each for 45 pesos. They also have fixed expenses of 1,200 for materials, permits, and table rents. So we have here the first problem. So A, what is the total profit if they sell 60 notebooks and 150 notebooks? So we have here the second question. B, how many notebooks must be sold to break even? So we have here the solution and final answer. So we have here the tax A and B. So first, let me explain you what is the meaning of X, V, F, P, C, X, RX, PX. So X is a variable, V is a variable cost per row, F, fixed cost, P, selling price, CX, total cost, RX, total revenue, and the last is PX, profit. So first, we have here the 60. Cost function. We have here the formula. C is to X is equal to Vx plus F. Since the variable cost per note I wrote is a given, which is the 25, which is we get in the problem. So X is a variable, which is the 60, plus the F fixed cost, which is the 1,200, which is we get in the same problem. So kung saan nato na siya pagkakuha, so kailangan dyan nato na siya i-times. So we have here the 25 times 60 is equal to 1,500. So naamantay fixed cost, i-add lang nato siya. So we need to add the fixed cost and the variable cost per row. So we have here the 1,500 plus 1,200 is equal to 2,700. So if na-get na nato si total cost, pangitaon na napod nato si profit. So we have here the PX is equal to PX. So since P is the profit, we have here the 45 since given na siya nga gihatag sa ato ang problem. So variable 60. So 45 times 60 is equal to 270. So if nakuha na nato si CX o PX, mag-move on na ta ni PX o ni CX na pod para atong i-minus. So we have here the answer of CX and PX 2,700 o 2,700. So i-minus na to, so we get the 0. So if nakuha na nato ang answer sa 60, mag-move on na ta ni 150. So we have here the cost function. Og ang formula niya, C is to X is equal to Vx plus 5. So 25, substitute nimo ang 150 here. Kay variable man siya. So plus 1,200. So 25 times 150 I mean. We have here the 3,750 plus 1,200 is equal to 4,950. So, if nakita na nato si CX, pangitaon na napod nato si RX. So, we have here the RX, given ang 45, substitute, the 150, 6,000, i-times na to silang duha, 45 times 150, we got the 6,750. So, mag-move on na ta. So, we have here the FX, I mean RX, is minus 2 CX. Same process lang ta sa atong gibuhat diri kaganina. So minus siya pa nato siya para makuha na nato ang answer. So we have here the answer of RX 6,750 og answer sa CX which is the 4,950. So, pag minus na, nakuha na to si 1,800. So, if nakuha na nato siya, kay ang question man niya ato sa B, which is, how many notebook must be sold to break even? So, diri na ta nga problem. So, we have here the solution. Selling price per unit, variable cost per unit. Since the selling price, the fixed cost is 1,200 and 45 minus 25 is the variable cost per unit per row. So, i-minus lang nato silang duha sa 45 minus 25. So, we got the 20. Copy lang nato ni sa taas. Ibot nato diri i-divide lang nato ni silang duha. So, makuha nato si 60 notebooks. And that is the final answer.